everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what has arrived? So my Lollipop Box Club boxes has arrived finally. So the Marian Bright kit is a one-off kit, which is a limited edition that Lisa always brings out every year. And Alice's Winter Wonderland, I think this is the November kit. So I can now carry on preparing for my December daily box. So I am gonna pop that into one side. I'm more particularly gonna focus on the Merry and Bright kit. And I'm so sorry, she's already sold out. It went out like oh my god, it really went like really fast, and it was really an intense moment buying it. So as you can see, there's a postcard here, and I love to say, the greatest gift is kindness, it is indeed. And this is Lisa's artwork. And as usual, the kit is color coordinated. Usually try and save the tissue because I can recycle them and use them for other projects. Now this kit comes with another book. So at the moment I have two books in my little TN. So one is Countdown to Christmas, which is what I'm gonna use leading on to the Christmas, and then I've got another book here which I can use, you know, to document more Christmassy or Christmas related stuff, and this one and it carries on to this book. Now I'm gonna leave this as it is, and then just decorate it with the papers, I think. So that will be my third book, and yeah, I'm happy with that. I think I'll leave it as it is, and it will be a writing, and you know, I can do lots of stuff in it still. So that's my book already, and I've got a very loose elastic cord just in case, to make room for the bulking up of this book. Now in this kit, she made a project which I'm gonna make as well using tags, and put this, I think it was something to do with Christmas wishes, and then I can use this every year and put it on my Christmas tree. But the tags, I will put it in my book after Christmas. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. And then I can use that year after year. So in this kit we also got a stamp, a tag stamp, and I think I know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't have numbers. So I think I'm gonna do a project and do kind of like a mixed media type thing, or maybe watercolor type thing, using the Merry and Bright handmade watercolors from Little Rainbow Moon, and using this tag to make my date tags. Yeah, that's it, date tags. And then it's not a Lollipop Box Club if you haven't got a lollipops. However, she always uses candy cane, or she always gives out candy cane for the Christmas boxes, which I love. Then you get a nice washi here, star washi. Don't know whether you can see that. And you get this little coin envelope. It says "Right Now," and there are tags in them. Oh, this is cute. They're like the buffalo plaid foiling type thing. Oh, that's really cute. Right, that's there. And then you get I think I don't want to destroy this and then do that. Right, so I want to use this bag for my in my book. Oh, you've got little bits and pieces. It's like the DIY kind of like envelope or pack. So you got you have, or I've got white ribbon, like twine, little embellishment for a bead. Oh, I can make a charm. Oh, there's a Santa Claus charm. There's some reindeer chipboard, or yeah, chipboard, and a Merry Christmas wood veneer or something like that. I don't know. I think chipboard, or no, wood veneers. Then you get doilies. Yeah, you get 2 doilies. Lovely. That's great. I'll put that there. And you get 3 tags. Lovely. So in the project that she did with this, she used the 3 tags, but I've got like loads of tags lurking around, so I think I might use these tags for a different day or a different thing. And you get this lovely fabric, like Nordic fabric, I think, that you can add in your journal. Oh, you get the number stickers, and then you get word stickers, and another letter stickers. These stickers are from Mrs. Brimble's. They're gorgeous. And then this one is, I believe, your die cut. Oh my goodness, they're gorgeous. Oh, look at that. That's little robin. The leaves, hedgehog. Oh, that is so cute. That's a cute fox. It's like a woodland Christmas theme, isn't it? Really nice. So you get a lot of die cuts too. Peace and joy. Yes. They're really cute. And then you get this little, like, is this 4x4 paper? It's nice. Different, they're one-sided, but you get different sorts of paper. You can back up your photos with them. Get these stickers, these circle stickers as well. Oh, let's just put that back so they don't go astray. And then you get, this is from Happy Scatter. These are cute. And you get your 6x6 paper. Oh, that's beautiful. There we are. Oh my god. So that's my Merry and Bright Christmas kit. Sorry for the lighting, guys, because this is later in the day. So I have 2 watercolor papers. I've got my paintbrushes and the Merry and Bright watercolors from Little Rainbow Moon. So I'm gonna try and speed up the process so that because I'm just gonna splash in some colors. So I'm gonna do a wet on wet technique so that we get the blooming of the watercolors. And then I'm gonna spray my watercolor to wake them up. Okay, so let's just throw that away. I've now got 31 of these little tags that I can use for my December daily. Now, I did mention a while ago that I can, where is it to? Oh, great. That's brilliant, because I said earlier that we can use the numbers to put in there, like so. And then we can add this to our journal, or journaling. I know I am saying it's not December not so daily, but I'll try and catch up with like day 1, 2, 3, and the every day. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop that there, and I think that would be really, really cute on my layout. So I hope this has inspired you to how to use, well, one of the ways that you can use your little tag stamp. That was really brilliant, because I was still thinking what to do with like day numbers or like days kind of thing, and that was really good to be able to use up that stamp and create my own numbers for each day. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys soon, and please do give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.